Here's our Tablas Island Romblon itinerary and expenses. Hey guys, this is part 5 of our Romblon travel series. The last major island we visited was Tablas. From San Agustin Port, nag-van lang kami going to our accommodation for 300 pesos per head. Nag-stay kami sa Footprints Beach Resort located in San Andres, Tablas. We booked it for 3,000 per night pero may mga promo din sila from time to time. Hapon na kami nakarating sa resort from Romblon Island, so we decided to spend the rest of the day sa resort para makapagpahinga and also para makapag-swim since this is a beachfront resort. Dito na rin kami nag-dinner for convenience. For our second day in Tablas, we decided to avail a land tour service. Magkakalayo yung mga key spots na gusto namin, so we didn't really consider renting a motorcycle. Naghanap lang kami sa Facebook and unfortunately, ang nahanap lang namin ay van service. We didn't really have a choice, so ginaw na namin. It was 4,500 for the entire day. The van can easily accommodate 10 people, so sulit kapag marami kayo. First stop is in Cabaliwan Hills. It's a scenic road sa mataas na lugar. Very dreamy lalo na kung umuulan. Maganda nga lang din tumambay dito and just appreciate the view. Second stop is in Bell at Point. Medyo pangit yung daan, rough road, so may designated parking area lang yung van. The rest, lakad na lang pero mga 1-minute walk lang naman. The place feels so enchanting lalo na kung solo nyo yung place and kung malago yung tubig. Ang sarap ng hangin, ang sarap tumambay, and perfect spot para kumuha ng mga walking videos. Not far from Bell at Point is the third stop, which is Binukot Beach. Actually, madadaanan nyo muna ang Binukot Beach bago ang Bell at Point. Dito na rin kami nag-lunch and it's a very chill place. May mga swing, photo spots, kainan area, and masarap din mag-swim. Malawak ang sakop ng beach, pa-letter Y siya at very swimmable din. Medyo matagal kami dito sa area since napasarap din ang kain at pagtambay namin. For our fourth stop, my favorite, Aglicay Beach Resort. 70 pesos lang ang entrance dito and 70 pesos for the table rental. We didn't really have any expectations pero grabe, sobrang peaceful and serene. Halos kami lang yung tao kahit na weekend. Sobrang mura and ang sarap din ng pagkain. Mababaw lang yung tubig so perfect for kids and mga hindi marunong lumangoy. May part din sa area that they call Beach Viewpoint na pwede nyong akyatin for better view. Pero overall, ang sarap lang talaga mag-chill dito. I can't stress this enough. Sobrang kalmado rito. You can also visit other spots like mga falls, yung fish sanctuary, pero we decided to skip these since pagod na kami and gusto rin sana naming habulin yung sunset sa Footprint. For dinner, sa resort na lang ulit kami and the next day was actually our scheduled trip back to Batangas Port. So short lang talaga yung Tablas sa itinerary namin. We could have visited more spots sana and even do the Calatrava Island hopping pero masaya naman na kami sa itinerary and para hindi rin masyadong loaded. Saglit lang din kasi talaga kami sa Tablas. Nagpatawag na lang din kami ng trike sa resort going to Udjongan Port. Note na around 45 minutes ang biyahe so we paid around 600 pesos for the tricycle. And that actually marks the end of our Romblon trip. For our next video, we'll be sharing our expenses for the entire trip so make sure to follow our page para hindi nyo ma-miss. Thank you guys for the support.